Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you switch to personal account on Instagram. So follow up with me, let's jump right into it. First, of course, open your store. Let's make sure we have Instagram updated for everything to work properly. After that, create the store and open Instagram. Of course, you have to be logged into your account. Then from here, tap on the profile picture that should be at the bottom right of your screen right there. From here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. This takes you to settings. Now from settings, we need to scroll down until you find an option that says account type and tools. Tap on it. As you can see, I don't have a professional account in order for me to switch back to personal. So let me real quick go ahead and switch my account to professional. As you can see, now my account is professional. What I need to do is go back to settings. And now I need to locate this option that says account type and tools again. From here, as you can see guys, I have a professional account. Tap on account type. Once you're in account type, you find this little line that says switch account type. Go ahead and tap on it. In the bottom of the screen, just tap on switch to personal account. Once you tap on it, you get a little confirmation message in the middle of the screen, and once you confirm, it's gonna take a couple of seconds to switch to personal, so just be a little patient, it shouldn't take very long. And just like that, as you can see guys, we have switched from a professional account to a personal account really easily. Now again, keep in mind that once you switch back, your account will remain public. If you want, you can follow these steps to make your account private again. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.